It is Friday and it is my first official week at my new job, which is a completely different job than the job that I previously told you about. I hope you can hear me because I'm in my office. I have my heater on. It is May 5th and yeah, it's cold. Yesterday was colder, but the day before that was even colder. We'll discuss some of that later, but today is Friday and the last day of the work week, so I have the weekend and hopefully I'll be taking out these braids. But I just wanted to get on here because I'm excited. Do what I do. I have some things here with my computer screens and I just ordered some lunch. So that's what's going on right now. But yay, welcome to the vlog. This is a new vlog. Not too much going on. This weekend we'll be taking out my hair. Hopefully I will have posted my other 2 vlogs before this. Well, I will. Because I actually have 2 vlogs that I've had for like a month and I just haven't posted it. So much has been going on. And I'll discuss that. I need to go get my nails filled in. They're horrible. That's how long you can tell, because in one of my previous vlogs before this one, I was getting my nails done. So, anywho, I'm gonna get off here and I will holler at y'all later. Okay, y'all, so I have just came from getting my nails done. I look greasy and I don't know why, because I'm really not greasy. But anyway, so I just got my nails done. I showed y'all earlier when I was at work what they were looking like. So this is what they are looking like now. Your girl did her thing. Here's a closer view. I know you fellas don't care, but anyway, I'm glad. I came here straight after work. I was on my way home, but I was like, you know what? I don't really know when I'm going to have time to get them bad boys filled. It is officially the weekend. I made it through my first week of work. I'm so grateful to God in the name of Jesus. So I'm going home. I'm going to eat the rest of my lunch that I had. I took 2 bites of at work. And this weekend I'm going to be taking down this hair, hopefully. So y'all will see your girl looking some type of way. Hopefully in a good way. I need to let my natural hair breathe. Y'all can see it's been grown out and everything. It's only been in for has it been 2 months? The 11th will make 2 months. Today's the 5th, so it's not even been officially 2 months. And I already got to take them out. But yeah. So your girl got some new growth. So, but I don't want to straighten it or anything right now because there's been in the braids, tension and all that. So I'm going to just let it breathe, deep condition, wash, all that good stuff. And you know it takes forever trying to take these braids out. And now that I got my nails done, but they not too long. So that shouldn't be too much of a problem. But that's my weekend goal. So your girl ain't trying to make no plans. But then again, my bestie, my sissy, probably be texting me to do something this weekend. We done something for the past 3 weekends in a row. I kind of want to chill, but I'm like, if we do anything, it has to be tonight because I have got to be able to take my hair out, wash, condition. That's a whole day process, and then I'm gonna twist it up and just wear it like that, which it takes a minute to dry. So, and Sunday, I think it might be Mother's Day. I gotta check the calendar because if it is, I gotta go to church. Well, regardless, I need to go to church. But I'm gonna surprise my aunt, go to church at her church. So I need to be able to have my hair and everything done by Sunday. So yeah, it is basically 6 o'clock. So I'm on my way home. I still gotta clean. I gotta clean my room and the living room. It's a hot mess. And get my clothes and stuff together. That's my main thing. Like, I have so many clothes that I just need to figure out what to do with. Toss some of them away. whatever. But, well, not, I want to give them away, but yeah. Where I've lost a lot of weight, I have a whole bunch of clothes I just need to get rid of and put up all the new clothes that I have that are still in boxes that I've ordered. And then some of those are still too big because I haven't figured out my size just yet. So, well, I mean, I have, but shopping online, it is what it is. But this is long enough. I'm going to get off here. I'm sitting here because I didn't want to be driving while I was doing this. But center, this is where I am at. I'm across the street. There's TJ Maxx, Kroger's, all that stuff. That's the shopping plaza where we at. So nothing fancy. But your girl gonna get off here, and I will talk to y'all a little later. So yeah, I just got home, right? Okay. And I'm saying that because after I left the nail salon, you know how I showed y'all like the view from across the street or whatever. The shopping plaza, and I was like, I gotta take my hair down like I was telling y'all. So of course Sally's is across the street. You know, I live in West Virginia, so we don't have no chocolate hair stores, and you know they expensive as fudge. So anywho, I realized I had no shampoo, no deep conditioner or whatever. So yeah, I go in there for deep conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, and another shampoo, and some heat protectant, which I just realized as I was talking just now to y'all. I really could have waited on the heat protectant because I'm not blow drying my hair because I'm twisting it up, so it's gonna be wet. So that's like $15 I could have saved because first of all, I didn't know it was $15 till I got up there. And I tried to go find something to match with what I'd already brought, but that didn't turn out. So anywho, let me just show y'all what I purchased. Ain't used it before, so we're gonna pray it works because I know my hair is in desperate need of some TLC, some love. It's dry as fudge. It ain't been hydrated. The scalp, y'all can see better now with the light, but like I was saying, like my hair has grown out. It hasn't even been a full month. But yeah, so I'm about to take this hair down. It is now almost 7 o'clock, but anyway, so I brought this, which is Mael. It's supposed to be anti-shedding shampoo, and I know I'm gonna have some shedding, so that's why I got this, and it says it's made with sea moss. So that is that. So then I also got this Mael Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Conditioner. So putting this in for my deep treatment along with my regular conditioner and use it as a conditioner. And then I got the Mael Sea Moss Anti-Shedding Leave-In Conditioner. Okay, and then lastly, my Silk Elements Heat Protectant Spray. Now, so for this little 4-set getup, was $53. I am load. I should tell them to put it all back. Like, I wasn't expecting to spend more than $20. Yeah, every product I brought, I need it because I literally have nothing, and that's what I thought about. I have nothing to wash my hair with, condition, any of that. And it needs some TLC, so that's what I brought. So your girl is about to get off here and get that done. So maybe next time you all see me, I might have hair that are in braids. Maybe not. You might see me in a scarf, more likely in a scarf, or partially up, down, whatever. So I'm done. My arm is tired, and I'm gonna get out of these clothes. And I did get me a little glass of wine, well, a bottle of wine, so I can have me a glass while I'm doing that. Watch some videos, and yeah, it is what it is. So those are my plans for this Friday afternoon, Friday night, because your girl ain't going nowhere. Once I start cutting these, it's a wrap, okay? So I'm gonna let y'all a little later. Deuces. Alright, y'all, so I am almost done. Just have this much to go. Your girl is tired. Told y'all I was spending my Friday night weekend, just this whole weekend in the house. And now my allergies and this sinus infection I've had for almost 3 months now, it's got your girl on low mode. But this is what it's looking like. So hopefully I can wash this girl tomorrow and get something going. Girl, I just got out the shower, finished washing my hair, so I just now put in some leave-in conditioner, trying this for the first time. But yeah, so that's the only thing in my hair right now, but you can see the growth is there. You see where that color is like down here now. But yeah, so I've sectioned it off and I'm about to twist it and everything. I'm at my folks' house. Our hot water tank went out, so I just got out of the shower and stuff. But I'm showing you what it's looking like now. Freshly clean, wash, shampoo, deep condition, and now time to twist it. So we're gonna get these curls back somehow. You better not. You better not. You better not.
You hear her say fly, 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 like they say
it. Would you? Y'all, my niece is too much for me. I am tired. Just finished my hair, thank God. What are you doing, Nene? What? Why are you always climbing on stuff? You are not a boy. Say you are a girl. Get down. Get down. Don't make me come up. Don't make me come back over there. Sit still. Oh, now you want to get in the swing? I'm going to swing you to sleep. That's what we going to do. Huh? Stop before you fall. This is what I got to deal with. Y'all wouldn't believe it unless you seen it. Stop. I got to go, y'all. Y'all, I have just finished my hair. This is my niece, y'all, and she's doing the most right now. What you doing? Huh? What you doing? I was trying to tell them, stop before you fall. You gonna fall. Get down. Stop. Y'all, she is too much. I just finished my hair, twisting it, so we're gonna see how it turns out. But what are you doing? Didn't I just tell you to stop? This is what I gotta deal with. No. So you won't let me do your hair? Okay. I'm gonna get off here, y'all, because I'm about to take her to her daddy. But say see you later. Bye. Bye. Alright, y'all, so we are about to take my niece home. Stop and get her something to eat and drop her off. I know I look crazy. But yeah, y'all saw me earlier. Finally got my hair all twisted up. It's actually drying kind of fast, so I might only have to blow dry for about 5 to 10 minutes when I get home. And I am gonna put some like little flexi rods on the ends. Just, well, that one has a curl. Just for my ends until I get them. Here comes my little time right now. Why? Nene. Yeah? Put that back. Put it back. Nene. Now. Hold that. Come here. Come here. Now give it here. Give it here. You want a whooping? Okay, I'm getting the belt. I'm getting the belt. All right, y'all. I'm gonna have to show in a second because I'm about to get this belt on her for real. Put it down. Oh, Jesus. I'm gonna talk to y'all in a few. I promise we got things under control. Why are you in my purse? I'm gonna holler at y'all here in a few, okay? Morning, y'all. It is the start of a new work week. It is Monday morning. I'm on my way to work. I got about 5 minutes to get out this door. So I just wanted to say a quick, hey, how you doing? I might check in while I'm at work, close this vlog out. I know there's nothing exciting or too much, but my hair is finally done. Just took it down. And this is the finished results. Let me know if you like it. This is my for the day. Yeah, so time to go get that work in, get this day started. So I pray you all have a blessed, prosperous day and a blessed, prosperous work week, and I will see you a little later. Hey y'all, I'm here at work and this light is bright, so I'm trying to filter it so you can see me, but hope everyone has a blessed work week, a productive week. Let's continue to pray for one another, especially my city. Please pray for the city of Beckley, for the families, the friends, those who have lost loved ones during this traumatic time. Please keep my family and my friends in prayer. Pray for the state, and just pray for everyone, this country, this land, this nation under God, and that He brings peace to those who are in need right now. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I'm gonna get off because I got work to do and I gotta be focused, and I got a meeting here in about an hour and a half. So thank you for watching this vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment down below, subscribe for any video suggestions, and your girl will see you